Oh, you stupid bird. Why do you have to come over here and shit on my trampoline? Hi, my name is Zuzzy, and Zuzzy's with the Z. But guess what I like doing is talking about my trampoline. So this bird, it even got on me, if you can see it. I wiped it off already though. But this bird, he came over here. Me and Kim were doing the other video that you could see about the questions. That's funny. But because I was doing something mean to this boy, excuse you! And this girl, pickle! At the swimming pool yesterday. I think that's karma.
She is really, really crazy, just so you know.
Look it, it's still wet. Point the camera. See?
Why are you playing with bird
I'm
poop?
trying to show them. I just,
So comment. Okay. So comment below what you think about this video, because I think she's weird. And